Welcome back, guys, to the setup and settings of the Amazon Fire 8 HD. Other than Apple, this is probably the one most talked new tablet devices, so let's see what the new Amazon Fire 8 HD has to offer. Like and subscribe, guys. See you in a moment. Well, following on from the last video, you saw we just ended it on a little unboxing, but here we are with the device and we are going to do a setup for you. So let's get straight into this. If you didn't know me, my name is Sam. If you're new here, consider subscribing, why the hell not? Smash the like button and let's get straight into the settings. So, we've got English United Kingdom. Yes sirree. Next. Oh, now it's just asking you to connect to the Wi-Fi. So let's do that. Guys, I don't know about you, but I always bleeding forget it. I know it, but I don't know the bits in between, if that makes any sense. So I know the word, but I just forget what order they go in, which isn't very good. Boom, and we are connected. Just a sec. That is literally so iconic. Register your fire. Okay. So here you would just type in your Amazon email address and the password, and that will allow you to set up your fire connected to your Amazon account and Google, if you didn't know that. But I'm sure you do, because you're all very intelligent people. Boom! We are in. What now? What now? Lovely jubbly. It's basically just asking you what settings you want to set up, so I'll just quickly show you. Click and untick which one you want and continue. Lovely jubbly.
Watching movies and reading books, to asking Alexa for the weather. There are many ways to enjoy your new Fire tablet. Try asking Alexa to play music, make calls, check the news of your commute, and just say clouds in the high of 15 degrees and a low of 8 degrees.
She's pretty mint, isn't she, Alexa? But let's zoom past this. It's literally just a little quick intro.
Here's what I found.
Here we go. Get started with Alexa. Use your voice to open apps, ask questions, play music, videos and more. Even when the screen is off or password locked, you can always use Alexa or turn limited access to Alexa in settings. That's very cool. Use Alexa for Amazon processes and retain audio interactions. This one is much more advanced than the Fire 7, I've got to tell you. Tap in Enable Alexa, you agree to Amazon's conditions. You might as well, probably won't use it that much, but never mind. Make this child, oh my days, make this Fire child friendly. If you need to do that, then of course, but I'm going to click not now because we don't need that. Continue, get more of your Fire tablet with Goodreads. So there we go, continue. I think I wasn't meant to click that because I don't want Goodreads. We'll click not now. Get more from your Fire tablet with free audio. No, God, they throw a lot at you, don't they? Oh, it's loading. Get apps and games free. We'll look at that a little bit later, not now. And there we have it. That was a really quick setup, guys. I'm really impressed with this so far. It's very, very similar to the Fire 7. Obviously, like I said, it's an inch bigger. And that is just their iconic. I don't know why. Yeah, I want that. But there, so you've got your home, You've got books, if you're interested in your books and your audio. You've got videos. Of course, games and apps. Your shop. Your music. And your Audible. Am I saying it right? Audible. And there's so much more on here. Oh, bit of curry going on there. Newsstand. That is new. I can tell you that is new. So that's pretty awesome. That's literally everything you need to know. And now all the apps that are included and installed. Guys, if you want to see the quick unboxing that I did not too long ago, why don't you go ahead and find it? It will be in my playlist, which is the compilation 2, or it'll be in the unboxing playlist 2. I'll also leave a link to it down below. I'll also be leaving links to this particular fire in the description, of course. Go check my links out, guys. So that's pretty mint. I'm only going to get used to that because the Fire 7 on off button is here. And that's, oh yes, I forgot to show you. And that's where you charge it, and that's where your headphone port is. Your on off button and your volume button. And there are your speakers. And there's your camera. Pretty mint, eh? Pretty mint. Nice. That was very quick and very easy. I know it's brand new, but even the Fire 7 wasn't even that quick. So, yeah, smash the like button, and I'm sure I'll see you around very soon. Lots of different playlists to catch up on and check out while you're here. Why the hell not? I hope you have a very nice day, and ciao for now. Nice easy setup there for you guys. I hope I made it fun enough for you to watch, because it can be a little bit boring setting settings up, but I hope you enjoyed.